Okay, yeah, thanks. So here we are on our second coaster of the day. It's 2 ride tickets if you buy and buy the ride. I can't remember what coaster this is called, but it's Rhino shaped. Wow, that was a sharp stop. Yeah, a really good ride that was. That was quite smooth as well. We'll try and go on that one again before we leave today. If not, if you booked your tickets online, you can actually come back for free and then just buy your wristbands again, or ride tickets, whichever you prefer.